Hey guys, this is Daniel with TLC 4x4. Hold on, I had an itch. Hey guys, this is Daniel with TLC 4x4, and behind me I got this beautiful 1988 FJ62 that we just finished. This customer is a big Porsche lover, so we finished the truck in a agate gray, and then you'll see throughout the truck there is little hints here and there of Porsche as well. This truck was actually in a pretty solid stage. We didn't have to do much rust repair, just the common areas, and then the frame was in really good shape. We wanted the exterior to appear like a stock FJ62, so we started with a factory Toyota grille, factory Toyota bumpers. We updated all the lights to LED. We replaced all the trim, all the rubbers, all the door handles, everything is brand new. All of the vents that you see on the front fender and the quarter panels are made by us, and they're all CNC billet. Coming to the back of the truck, factory bumper, factory tail light. We added a backup camera and a trailer hitch because this customer has a small boat that he'll be towing with this truck. For the wheels, we're running Method MR 316 wheels. They're wrapped in BFG all-terrain tires. In this truck, we're running a LS3 430 horsepower engine. We have a 6L80 transmission, made it to a Toyota transfer case. Up front, we're running our TLC radiator. We have a custom intake setup. Pretty much everything on this truck has been either restored or replaced with new. Hardware, the latches, they get sent out to get zinc coated, new transmission cooler, AC condenser, all the wiring that we can replace. The engine management wiring is all new. The braking system is all brand new. Then there's some items that we can't get new that we send out to get restored, or we restore them in-house. As far as the chassis and axle on this truck, the chassis is a factory FJ62 chassis along with the FJ62 axles. They all been disassembled. The housings have been sandblasted and powder coated and then reassembled and put back in the truck. As far as the suspension goes, we're running OME springs along with Fox shocks on all four corners. We're running our TLC stainless steel gas tank. This gas tank lets you keep your spare tire in the original location. We spend a lot of time soundproofing these trucks, just trying to get them to today's standards of vehicles. So we start with a Dynamet Extreme as our base layer. Over that, we put a Dyna liner, and then on top of that, we run carpet. So this interior is made to look factory, but it's definitely not factory. So for the door panels, we start with all scratch-built door panels. Front seats have been upgraded. We can run those either heated or not heated. The rear seat, we use the factory base, make all new foam, and then make new covers. All the seat belts been upgraded. The rear cargo panels as well. We usually built those custom per truck. The steering wheel was all leather wrapped, hand stitched. We backdated the headliner to a early FJ60 headliner. We always run those. They just have a nicer feel to them than the 62 fuzzy ones. We're also running our CNC billet shifter bezel. Over the years, these bezels become so brittle and the plastic just disintegrates, so we decided to upgrade them with a billet ones. Following the Porsche theme, we wrapped the seats in black leather with Helmstooth inserts. We also built these door panels to mimic 911 door panels. And that's about it on this truck. If you like these feature videos, please stay tuned because we have a lot more trucks coming. Like, subscribe, and whatever.
Yeah, we got it. I knew you. I knew you.
Get out of here.